Oh, it's getting to be about dinner time, so tonight we're going to have some ham, and along with it we're going to have these, I always call them little new potatoes, but it's the reds and the whites mixed in together. It's called the Little Potato Company is one that puts these out. One we got, the Dynamic Duo. Now we're going to have some of these Family Farms snap green beans here. It says they're washed and ready to use, but we'll probably wash them again. Okay, so let's get started with it. Okay, now you can see what I've got put in there, and that's about what we think we could eat one time. So now we'll wash them off and maybe cut a couple of bad spots out of some of these, and we'll get back to it. Okay, I was just dumping my green beans, the snapped green beans in this bowl here. Comes out stick. Okay, we'll do some more here. That's why I say no matter what the bag says, you need to pay attention and watch the stuff. And all that good stuff. Now here's stems on the end of this one. So you just have to look at it, make sure. Or you don't want to be eating all that, or I wouldn't. Okay, now got my beans here. I'm washing them up here. And this is about the second time I've done this. Do it at least 2 times. Even if it says they've been washed, still wash them a couple of times. Now I've done the potatoes the same way. Do them one more time. In the sink, we get an extra little bath. Now, back in the pot. I'm going to clean this bowl out here. I'll rinse it out and now I'm drying it out. I've got my potatoes and beans over here on the paper towel. I'm just sort of going to knock a little bit of the water off of them, not a lot. I don't want them dry, just get some of the excess. Like that. Okay, now we'll put them back in this bowl. Okay, now next time we'll do these potatoes is what? Pour a little of olive oil over them. About 2 tablespoons. And about 2 teaspoons. Okay. Okay, then we'll put a little salt in them. Not a lot. And then if I can find the opening, put some little pepper in them. And last but not least, we'll take this Mr. Dash garlic and herb here and put in them. Okay, now we'll mix them all up. And that looks pretty good right there. And so now we're going to take them over here to the Ninja FOODi. I'll turn the power on, and then we'll hit the bake roast button here, and then we'll leave it at 375, and then we'll put the time at 20 minutes, and then we'll hit the start button. And so in about 10 minutes I'm going to stop it and stir them around a little bit and see how they're doing. So when I look at them, you can look at them too. Now it's been just a little over 10 minutes. Take a look at them. They're looking good. Now we'll stir them up a little bit. Okay, now we'll shut the lid, and they're going to start right back, and we'll let those other 10 minutes go by.
Do you take a toothpick?
We've only got about 10 more seconds to go. One thing about if you can, give me a thumbs up and join my channel. I sure appreciate it. And thank you for watching my videos. And I hope you watch more of them because I like making them. So that's about the end of this. It's getting ready to hit the cool. And if you're looking for any of the items that I use in these videos, most of the time I put it in the link below down in the description, so you can take a look and see. Now let's take a look at these potatoes. Oh boy, they're looking pretty good. Let me raise it up here so you can see down in there. See if I can stick a toothpick in one of them. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, goes right on through. So now we're getting ready to put them on the plate. Okay, now I'm going to take a little bit of this Tennessee barbecue sauce here. Like that right there, and put on top of this ham I just cooked here. There you go. Now, this is one of those meals that you can't buy anywhere. You have to make it yourself. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my little video. I sort of enjoyed making it for you. I hope you come back to see me real soon. I hope to have another one for you real soon. If you can, give me a thumbs up and join my channel. I sure would appreciate it. Y'all have a good evening now. Goodbye.